Hey folks, what a perfect ending to a beautiful day across the valley. The sun just setting a couple of minutes ago. Still some orange glow off on the western horizon tonight. Above those patchy clouds on the horizon, sky is clear as it's been most of the day. And tomorrow we'll probably see patchy clouds. Should see a nice sunrise again, maybe a few clouds mixed in. Front comes through after midnight and then drier air comes in behind it. Hard to find the front on this map. Kind of tough, so we'll just go ahead and draw it in there. Kind of meanders around just east of Dallas down to just north of Del Rio, continuing to push down toward the south. And it'll get here probably midnight, maybe a little bit after that, and not a lot of fanfare except that the winds are going to get quite gusty behind the front after it goes through. Winds will get a little strong out of the north for a time. Let's watch Future Track. This is high resolution Future Track using the 3-kilometer model that goes out 36 hours. Front by 2:45, probably already through, and by 8 in the morning, partly sunny skies, but very windy conditions across the area. Those winds 15 to 25, gusting to 30, 35, something like that during the morning hours. So your morning commute will be a windy one. By middle of the afternoon, still noon, it's still windy, but by middle of the afternoon, I think the wind dies down. We still see partly sunny skies, and then tomorrow night, the clouds probably move back into the area, and by Thursday the chance of rain shows up in the forecast again. Now late tonight with the front, a very slight chance for a shower. Not a lot of moisture to work with though, so anything that pops up will be very light and it'll move out very quickly. And then again, a dry day on Wednesday. Here are your current temperatures after being up to 80 in McAllen today, down to 74, still 82 in Rio Grande City, 68 Westlaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville, 69 at the coast right now. Low temperatures will end up in the 40s tonight, but that won't happen. We're going to stay in the 60s until the front goes through. Then readings will tumble and end up in the 40s by morning across most of the area with that strong north wind. It'll feel colder than that. It'll feel like it's in the 30s even with the sun coming out. And then tomorrow's highs only into the upper 50s, so a much cooler day. Put the jacket on in the morning. You're going to need it all day, even with sunshine. Temperatures in the 50s, northerly wind finally dying down late in the day, but at least first half of the day will be pretty windy. 72 is the normal high. We're not going to make it anywhere near that tomorrow. A little closer Wednesday, a little closer Thursday. By the weekend, we'll be back above average once again. Rest of Texas, again, we put the radar on. It's a little easier to find the front pushing southward across the state. You can see the line of showers and thunder showers developing along the front as it moves southward. Now, it's dropped to 49 in Dallas, but still 63 in Austin, so wind just shifting there as we speak. 49 in Abilene. San Antonio's at 68. Front moves on south tonight, moves on through. Northerly wind kicks in. It brings dry air in, but that high pressure moves very quickly off to the east. And with that, the flow's already back out of the southeast on Wednesday. The clouds thicken back up. And by Thursday, enough moisture for some spotty showers. They'll probably linger into Friday as well before we finally push that back out of here and get some sun back in here, probably just in time for the weekend. Low pressure is going to develop right on the coast and then push away like it's done so many times the last couple of months, typical of a winter pattern. Northeasterly winds 10 to 30 tomorrow. Rough on the bay. The UV index remains high. A gale warning in effect. Again, a gale warning in effect. Midnight to noon along the coast. A moderate risk of rip currents. There's a low tide, there's a high tide. Winds will be very gusty along the coast later tonight and early tomorrow. So tonight, a low of 45, partly cloudy, windy, and turning chilly. It won't happen until after the front goes through. Pretty mild until then. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy. Wind late in the day should begin to lay down 12 to 25, but diminishing 59 degrees for a high with partly sunny skies. So 59, then 63 with a late day shower possible Wednesday, and then showers possible Thursday into early Friday. I think by the weekend we should be mainly dry. Temperatures back up around 80 for Saturday, Sunday, and again for Monday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.